Have you ever encountered a person who gives all his best effort and then he or she receives nothing in response to it? From then on until now, the Lord never lacked reminding each and every one of us of our purpose and eventually our connection with Him. It is a consistent reminder about this covenant that we have heard in our first reading. I will be your God and you are my people. At parang nakarinig po tayo ng parang dismayadong Diyos sa ating unang pagbasa. Na parang sinasabi ng Diyos, ginawa ko na ang lahat, pero parang walang nangyari sa mga taong ito. Naging makalimutin ang mga tao sa aking ginawang relasyon sa kanila. Naging matigas ang kanilang puso at ang kanilang ulo sa kanilang pakikitungo sa akin. And we turn to the event of our gospel. We try to see how Jesus never missed out His mission. Mula sa marahil pinakamadadaling gawin at hanggang sa mabibigat na gawain tulad ng pagpapalayas ng demonyo sa isang tao, Jesus was all out. He gave all His effort. But the eyes of those around Him saw an opportunity not to catch a miracle or even acknowledge the goodness of God, but rather to catch a grudge. He gave all His best effort, but those around Him gave their best criticism. Sa bawat paghihilom at milagro ni Jesus, mas pinatitibay niya yung kanyang kalooban at ang kanyang sarili sa bawat isa. Pero nakahanap sila ng mga paraan para mabaklas at hindi mapatibay muli yung relasyon na ito na pinupuno at pinagtitibay ng Diyos. My dear brothers and sisters, God is doing all the best effort, but we've missed responding back with also a best effort. And it is beautiful to make this a very good reflection as we head along this Lenten season. Madaming pamamaraan ang Diyos para tipunin at hindi tayo mawaldas sa Kanyang paningin. It is maybe a person that God gives you in order for you to be comforted. A person ready to listen to you. God gave you a time for you to confess your sins. God gave you a chance for us to be close and to be intimate with Him. In too many ways, again, God is doing all the best effort. And we hope to do the same. He's doing everything for us to be secured. And we hope that it is also our desire. Towards the end, the Lord said, "Whoever is not with me is against me, and whoever does not gather with me scatters." Gumagawa ng paraan ng Diyos para mapanatili tayong nakatipon sa Kanyang pag-ibig. At huwag na tayong tumalon sa pagkakatipon na ito ng ating Panginoon. God may seem to be disappointed, but He is just more zealous and passionate for you and for me. Nag-uumapaw ang kagustuhan ng Diyos na maging mabuti tayo sa Kanya. At sana maging matingkad din nawa ang puso natin sa kagustuhan na ito. God is doing all the effort, and God is so passionate about you.